Welcome to English Speak Podcast.
Learn with English Podcast Corner.
Hi, everyone. Welcome back to our English podcast. I'm Mary.
And I'm Elon. It's great to have you here today.
Yes, we're so happy you're joining us to practice English and have fun.
That's right. Today's topic is meeting new people. We'll listen to a short, simple English conversation, talk about some useful phrases, and then listen again.
And don't forget, you can download today's PDF in the description. It has the full script, new words, and practice questions.
So, if you're ready, please like this podcast, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more English learning episodes.
Awesome. Let's begin our first part. Listen, discuss, listen again. Let's listen to a short conversation. Imagine this. You're at a park and you meet someone new.
Hi, I'm Elon. What's your name?
Hello, I'm Mary. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Where are you from?
I'm from Canada. And you?
I'm from England. Do you come to this park often?
Yes, I come here every weekend. It's beautiful and peaceful.
I agree. Maybe we can walk together next time.
Sure, that sounds great. That was a simple, friendly English conversation. Did you understand it all? Don't worry. Let's talk about it together.
Okay, let's discuss some key words and phrases. The first one is nice to meet you. We use this when we meet someone for the first time.
Yes. For example, Elon, nice to meet you. And Elon can reply, nice to meet you too.
Exactly. It's polite, friendly, and easy to remember.
The next phrase is, where are you from? It's a common question when meeting someone new.
You can answer like this. I'm from Bangladesh, or I'm from Brazil. It's a great way to start a friendly conversation.
Right. You can also ask back, and you? That keeps the talk going.
Here's another good phrase. Do you come here often? This is small talk. We use it when we meet someone at a place, like a park, cafe, or gym.
Yes, it means, do you visit this place many times? For example, I come here every weekend.
Nice example. Now, let's practice pronunciation together. Repeat after me. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Good job. Now, where are you from?
Where are you from?
Perfect. And finally, do you come here often?
Do you come here often?
Great work, everyone. You're doing amazing.
Let's listen to the same short story again. This time, try to understand more words and rhythm.
Elon and Mary acting again, slightly slower. Hi, I'm Elon. What's your name?
Hello, I'm Mary. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Where are you from?
I'm from Canada. And you?
I'm from England. Do you come to this park often?
Yes, I come here every weekend. It's beautiful and peaceful.
I agree. Maybe we can walk together next time.
Sure, that sounds great.
Now that's real English in action. Did you catch more this time?
If yes, great job. If not, no problem. You can replay this part and listen again. Listening practice helps your brain learn naturally.
Exactly. And don't forget, our PDF includes this conversation and key vocabulary. You can read it, write the sentences, and practice pronunciation at home.
All right, before we move to our next part, let's quickly review what we learned. Nice to meet you. Where are you from? Do you come here often?
Perfect review. These are powerful beginner phrases for real English conversations.
In the next part, we'll learn how to continue a conversation, like asking about hobbies or favorite things.
That's right. So, don't go anywhere. We'll be back in just a moment with more fun English practice.
Stay tuned, friends.
Welcome back, friends. We hope you're ready for more English practice.
Yes, in the first part, we learned how to start a conversation when meeting new people. Now we'll learn how to continue that conversation, how to ask about hobbies, interests, and daily life.
These small questions make a big difference. They help you sound friendly and natural in English.
Exactly. Let's start with another short conversation. Listen carefully. So, Elon, what do you like to do in your free time?
I like to read books and listen to music. How about you?
I love cooking and watching movies.
That's cool. What kind of movies do you like?
I like funny movies, comedies. They make me happy.
Same here. I love a good laugh. Okay, let's discuss some useful words and phrases.
The first one is, what do you like to do in your free time? It means, what do you enjoy doing when you are not busy?
You can answer, I like to, and then your activity. For example, I like to play football, or I like to paint.
Good examples. Here's another one. How about you? It's a friendly way to ask the same question back. For example, I like reading. How about you?
That's right. It keeps the conversation flowing. If you only answer, the talk stops. But if you ask, how about you? The talk continues.
Good point. Now, let's talk about what kind of do you like? This is a very useful phrase for hobbies and choices.
Yes, you can ask, what kind of music do you like? What kind of movies do you like? What kind of food do you like?
And the answer could be, I like pop music, or I like action movies.
Perfect. Let's practice pronunciation together. Repeat after me. What do you like to do in your free time?
What do you like to do in your free time?
Nice. Now, how about you?
How about you?
And finally, what kind of movies do you like?
What kind of movies do you like?
Excellent. Great job, everyone.
Now let's listen again to the same short conversation, slowly this time.
Elon and Mary acting slowly.
So, Elon, what do you like to do in your free time?
I like to read books and listen to music. How about you?
I love cooking and watching movies.
That's cool. What kind of movies do you like?
I like funny movies, comedies. They make me happy.
Same here. I love a good laugh. Beautiful conversation, right? It sounds simple, but it's full of natural English expressions.
Yes, you can use these phrases anytime you meet someone new, at a cafe, a park, a class, or even online.
Exactly. When you ask friendly questions, people feel happy to talk to you. That's the secret of good conversation.
Let's try a quick mini practice with our listeners.
Good idea. Okay. Everyone repeat after us.
What do you like to do in your free time?
Now, answer, I like to, and then add your activity. For example, I like to play guitar.
Great job. Now ask back, how about you?
Nice. You sound friendly and confident.
Before we finish today's episode, let's quickly review everything we learned.
Sure, we learned how to start a conversation. Nice to meet you. Where are you from? Do you come here often?
And how to continue a conversation. What do you like to do in your free time? How about you? What kind of movies do you like?
Amazing. That's real English for real life.
Yes, remember, practice a little every day. That's how you get fluent.
And if you want to read today's full script, vocabulary list, and examples, download the free PDF in the description.
Also, please like, share, and subscribe so you never miss a new English lesson with us.
Before we say goodbye, we have a community question for you.
Yes, tell us in the comments. What's the first thing you do in the morning?
We'll read your answers in our next episode.
Thank you for listening and practicing with us today. You're doing great. Keep going, keep learning, and keep smiling.
See you next time, friends.